Alright, in this video I'm going to show you how to replace the sensor unit on the Yard Enforcer. We sell this. It comes with this little bracket arm that can be used to mount it in different locations. You can mount it down here on the valve if you prefer sort of a lower placement, but then that could just be removed and it can be replaced on this mounting bracket up here, which is also a separate part that we do sell. If it ever breaks and you need to replace that, you can get one of those as well. So replacing this is pretty simple. The first thing we're going to do is, of course, make sure our water is turned off and make sure the sensor is turned to off. And you just want to remove the connection for the actual valve down here, and then you can unscrew the old sensor. And remove that mounting arm there on this new sensor. We'll just set that aside, and the new sensor should just drop right in. Once that's on, you'll just position it like it was before. So this one's pointed down a little too much. Reattach the valve and then turn it to the appropriate settings and you're ready to go. So that's all there is to it on that. Pretty simple process, and can take a broken Yard Enforcer and make it new again. So if you have any questions about this, let us know in the comments below. Thanks.